when we think about women in trade and we look at the facts and the figures that support it, it's evident to see that very few women trade within the UK economy compared to men. And I was at an event 3-4 weeks ago, and we were talking about a small call to action in terms of women in trade and what can we do to support that and empower that in the UK. And then followed the UK trade strategy. And when I did a quick search through the UK trade strategy, it was quite evident that it wasn't very focused on women in trade. The word woman or women was only showing up 3 times in the UK trade strategy. I then literally took a train down to the Chartered Institute, knocked on Marco's door, and I said, Marco, I want to start something. I want to start a centre of excellence or a hub for women in trade in the UK. And he said, yes, let's do it.
I think this evening's event has been extremely eye-opening and positive. The Women in Trade Hub is something that is necessary and is needed. I would say one of the top factors that prevents women from entering into export is fear. Fear of the unknown, sometimes just not knowing how to break into that space. But I'm a firm believer that you should fix the root problem first. So I do think that once you pour into women and let them know that they are of value, their goods are of value, then we can start making sure that, you know, the right systems are in place, training, tools, to just help them propel and encourage them to not only take that leap of faith, but also bring other women along.
Tonight's event was an absolutely fantastic kick-off to what is going to be an awesome initiative. It is great getting women in trade together. We need something like this where we're all collaborating, and I think that this initiative is just one of those that's going to be seismic in the market. It will really make waves, and I can't wait to see it going.
I'm delighted that the Chartered Institute of Export and International Trade, in collaboration with the Warwick Manufacturing Group and the exceptional force of nature that is Dr. Rebecca Wilde, are coming together to bring the hub into being and to take advice and guidance from everyone out there to understand how we become not just an idea or a plan, but a movement empowering women in business.